Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet these lovely dragons. The two dragons are made in exactly the same way, only in different colors. And I will show you how to crochet the yellow one. First, we will crochet the head and body. In the process of crochet the body, we need to embed beads in it. Take the yellow yarn. First, we need to learn how to make a magic ring. We take the yarn tail, let your left palm to face to you. Wrap the yarn around your left little finger, pass it through between middle finger and index finger. Then pinch the yarn tail with thumb and middle finger. Pick up the yarn tail and wrap it once around your middle finger. Now use your right hand to pull the right edge of this loop off of your middle finger. Take your 3mm hook and put it in this loop from the front to the back. Rotate your hook so that the tip of the hook is facing away from you. Grab onto this working yarn. Pull the yarn back through the loop. Now you can put your middle finger, press the intersection point, and rearrange your hand so that you're holding onto the bottom of the circle. And then yarn over, pull the yarn through the loop. This is the chain stitch, and the magic ring is now completed. Now we need to make 6 single crochet stitches into this magic ring. Now I'm show you how to make a single crochet. Put your hook inside this loop. Place the hook under the yarn. Grab the working yarn. Pull the yarn back through the loop. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again. And pull this yarn through both 2 loops on the hook. Now you have made the first single crochet stitch in this magic loop. Remember to mark the very first stitch with a stitch marker. Put your stitch marker under the V with 2 strands. It's the first stitch of round 1. Now you have to make the remaining 5 stitches. Insert your hook in exactly the same spot, yarn over. Pull yarn through the hole to draw up a loop, yarn over. Pull that yarn through both loops in the hook. This is the second single crochet. Keep doing the exact same thing. The third stitch, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth. After making 6 single crochet stitches, let's count the stitches. Expand the loop and remove the hook. If you look at the edge of this piece, under the big loop you'll see a V shape formed by 2 strands. This is the single crochet stitch. 1 V represents 1 stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. After making 6 single crochet, pull the yarn tail to close it. And now we just finished round 1 of the head. Now we are at round 2. In this round, we need to make 6 increased stitches in each single crochet. Now I will show you how to make an increased stitch. Put your hook into the first stitch of round 1. Remove the stitch marker. Insert your hook. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through again. That's the first stitch of round 2. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker. Now we're just going to do exactly what we did and do it in the same hole. So put your hook in the same hole, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through again. Now we made the second single crochet and we made 2 single crochet in the same hole. So that's an increased stitch. In this round, you have to make an increase into all the stitches for a total of 6. So now we make the second increased stitch. 1 stitch. 2 stitch. That's an increase. Make the remaining 4 increase. 1 stitch. 2 stitch. Repeat this step to finish this round. When we meet the stitch marker, that means we have finished this round now. There will be a total of 12 stitches in this round. Let's count backward from the last stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4th, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The marker indicates the first stitch, and now we have just completed round 2 of the head. Now let's begin round 3. In this round, we need to embed beads in the first stitch. Insert the hook into the bead. After that, insert the hook into the first stitch. So remove the stitch marker. Look carefully and follow me step by step. Insert your hook into the first stitch. Yarn over. Pull up the loop through the stitch and pull the loop through the bead. Now there are 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, pull the yarn through the 2 loops. Now we have just embedded bead in the piece. And this is what the wrong side looks like. After the bead stitch, we need to make the remaining stitches as usual. And next stitch, we will make an increase. And we must be careful not to pull this yarn too loose. Insert the hook in the next stitch. Yarn over. Make a single crochet. Insert the hook into the same hole and make a single crochet again. Now we have made 2 stitches in the same hole. This is an increase stitch. Remember to place the stitch marker. Mark the first stitch that is above the bead. Next, make a single crochet. After that, make an increase. So we have to repeat the sequence of 1 single crochet, 1 increase for a total of 6 times. 1 single crochet, 1 increase. 1 single crochet, 1 increase. 1 single crochet, 1 increase. 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and there will be 18 stitches in round 3. Now let's crochet round 4. In this round, we need to repeat the sequence 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet for a total of 6 times. Remove the stitch marker. Make 1 single crochet first, and mark the first stitch. Next, make an increase. After that, make a single crochet. Let's repeat the sequence. 1 single crochet. 1 increase, 1 single crochet. The last sequence, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet. Now we have finished round 4, and there will be a total of 24 stitches for this round. Now, we are at round 5. We also need to embed bead in the first stitch. This means we need to embed a bead every other row. Pick a bead Insert the hook into the bead. Remove the stitch marker. Insert your hook into the first stitch. It might be a little tight here. You can pull it with your hand. Yarn over. Pull up the loop through the stitch and the bead. Now there are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again. Pull the yarn through the 2 loops. Now we have just embedded a bead in the round 5. Mark the first stitch of round 5. In round 5, we need to repeat the sequence of 3 single crochet, 1 increase for a total of 6 times. We have already made 1 single crochet with a bead, so let's make the remaining 2 stitches. Find the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Next stitch, make another single crochet. So we made 3 single crochet now. Next, make an increase, which means make 2 stitches in the same hole. So repeat the sequence of 3 single crochet, 1 increase for a total of 6 times. Make 3 single crochet stitches. After that, make an increase. Next group, 3 single crochet, an increase. The last group, 3 single crochet. After that, make an increase. Next round is round 6. We need to repeat the sequence of 2 single crochet, 1 increase, 2 single crochet for a total of 6 times. Remove the stitch marker. Make 1 single crochet first. Mark it. Next, 1 single crochet. After that, make an increase. Next, 2 single crochet. So we made 6 stitches in sequence. Let's repeat this sequence to the end. 2 single crochet, an increase, two single crochet. The last group, 2 single crochet, an increase, two single crochet. Now we have completed round 6, and there will be 36 stitches in this round. Now we are at round 7. Round 7 to 13 are pretty simple. You just make 1 single crochet into each stitch. Round 7, we need to embed bead in the first stitch. Pick a bead, insert the hook into the bead. Remove the stitch marker. Insert your hook into the first stitch. Yarn over. Pull up the loop through the stitch and the bead. Now there are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again. Pull the yarn through the 2 loops. Now we have just embedded bead in the round 7. Remember to mark the first stitch. Next, we just make one single crochet into each stitch, and there will be 36 stitches in this round. It's the round 7. And round 8, just make one single crochet into each stitch all the way until the end. And there will be 36 single crochet in round 8. Now, we are at round 9. This round, we will proceed as we did in round 7. Pick a bead, insert the hook into the bead. Remove the stitch marker. Insert your hook into the first stitch. Yarn over. Pull up the loop through the stitch and the bead. Yarn over and pull through again. Mark the first stitch. Next, we just make one single crochet into each stitch, and there will be 36 stitches in this round. So, this is how it looks like after round 9. Next, crochet round 10 just like we did in round 8, and there will be 36 stitches in this round. Remember to mark the first stitch of each round with a stitch marker. Let's make one single crochet into each stitch all the way until the end. Now we have completed round 10, and this is what it looks like.